Hello everybody, it's Chris again. What are y'all up to? Back with another video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that business. Thank you for watching. So today we're going to be looking at something pretty specific. So some of you, I don't know if you've ever ran into this before, but have you ever had the issue where you don't know why something keeps opening a certain way? So like, let's say for instance, you download a file, and that file, when you click on it, it's an Adobe PDF file, okay? So let's say that you download it and it opens in like Microsoft Edge or something. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay, here we go. So let's look at this. So if you got a file, right, that's not opening right, type in default apps, click enter, and then here you will see a lot of the options. So for instance, this is for your web browser, photos, music player, maps, and mail, right? Okay, so let's go down. What we want to do is we want to look specifically at Adobe. So let's go to default apps by file type, because we're looking for the .pdf extension. That's what we're looking for, right? Come on. Okay, so now we scroll down until we see, let me get over here. I can go a little faster. Until we see .pdf. That's what we're looking for, is the .pdf. So keep going, keep going, keep going. PDF, we're almost there. Okay, right here. Right here. So what you do is you see how it says .pdf. You want to make sure that this says Adobe Acrobat DC. Well, okay, so I actually have the professional version, so yours is probably going to say Adobe or Acrobat Reader or something like that. I'm not sure if it'll say that or not, but you want to make sure that this little symbol is chosen. Now, when you open that in this file type, what's going to happen is it's going to open, every time you do this, it's going to open that in that file type. Now, the next video, which I'll be creating a few minutes later, is going to be about how, like for instance, when you download a file in Google Chrome, in Google Chrome, there's an option to select to open it in Chrome or to open it with Adobe. The next video, that's what it's going to be about. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, y'all. Peace, people. That's all I got. We'll talk to you next video. Like and subscribe. The Lord loves you, and so do I. Peace out.